three. One.
Alex has begun his training.
Three. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. Go,
You gotta go faster, fast. No, punch, punch.
Wait, hold it.
No, boy, this looks like trouble.
My hands get tired. Okay, now. It's the same thing. Look, it's the same. Go ahead. Hit it. Hit it. No.
You have to punch. Faster.
Look, like this. Look. Close it like that. Like this. And you hit with this.
From my fist.
Like this. Look. You don't hit like that.
You gotta listen to Grandpa. He was a boxer.
You hit like that. Go.
Now the other hand. Now both hands.
Go ahead.
There you go.
Not like that.
I'm sorry. Okay, just hit it.
Now you hit it. He wants you to hit it.
Ow.
Now all you want to do now is play.
Alright. The end. Lesson continues.